Is your Windows 11 brightness key not working? Then here's a tutorial how to fix it. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and let's get to the video without any delay. So first, try the function key to adjust your brightness. If it doesn't work, then try the other method by pressing Windows plus A. This will enable your Windows accessible and you can use a slide bar to adjust your brightness. If this doesn't work, then go to display settings. For this, just press Windows plus I. After that, click on system and click on display. So here you will see your brightness settings. Just slide this bar and adjust your brightness. If this doesn't work, then that means that you have enabled auto brightness and you can change it by clicking on this arrow, and that's it. You can change it or you can just click on off. Now, if these also doesn't work, then press Windows plus X and go to Terminal Admin. So after this window pops up, type this command sfc front slash and scan now. So after you press enter, this will start scanning all the missing components in your computer and it will fix right away. And hopefully this will help you resolve your problem. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.